Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, we'll look at a pattern which is slightly a variation from the previous one. Let's get started. I'll keep a plumpy dot and make it to a swipe now. I'll keep 2 dots in pink now. I'll walk the dots in pink. Now imagine a straight line, probably 2 straight lines, like a railway track. You only have to imagine this, you don't draw it. So in the previous pattern, the first brushstroke we started from here and the next one little lower and the next one even more lower. That's how we did. So in this, each and every brushstroke will start from here. I mean, they don't touch each other, but they will start from the same place. Now I'm going to keep 2 brush strokes on either side with blue. For the visibility purpose, I have turned the paper like this. So in the previous pattern that we saw, the second brush stroke we started from here and the third one from here. So it was looking like a lotus. And now we will start from here. Since we don't want the edges of the brush stroke to touch each other, we are imagining this railway track kind of lines. We will now try the third layer of brush stroke too. I'm sure this pattern also came out really well. I can't wait to see you practicing these patterns and creating a full-fledged mandala using all of these. Thank you for watching this video.